Greetings, my name is Lydia O'Meara, and here we present the results of a recent World Fish FAO study into the contribution of inland fisheries to the diet quality of approximately 6,000 infants and young children aged 6 to 23 months in rural sub-Saharan Africa. To eliminate micronutrient deficiencies and to ensure that no one is left behind, food system transformations must improve access to nutrient-rich foods for nutritionally vulnerable groups, especially children. Here we used a novel method of combining 3 existing data sets to spatially analyze links between sources of animal-sourced food, that is, proximity to inland fisheries, access to urban markets, and livestock ownership with children's diets. We found that most, that is 79% of rural children in Malawi and Zambia had inadequate diet diversity, as indicated by these bar graphs in the middle of the poster. Fish was the most consumed animal source food, and of the children that did have higher diet diversity, 20% relied on eating fish from nearby inland fisheries as their only flesh food. For example, if you look at the map of Malawi here to the right of the poster, you can see that the yellow dots that indicate the children living close to Lake Malawi are also in the dark green districts where there was high prevalence of fish consumption. However, we found geographical disparities in access to fish. Given that 65% of rural children did not benefit from fish or other flesh foods in their diets, these results suggest that food systems failed to provide animal-sourced foods to the majority of rural children. We found these food system failures to be most extreme in geographical pockets of animal-sourced food deprivation, which are located far from both inland fisheries and urban markets, demonstrated by the red dots in these 2 maps. Fish, especially small pelagic fish, are valued as a nutrient-rich, sustainable, and affordable animal-sourced food in sub-Saharan Africa. Therefore, to improve the diet quality of children living more than 5 kilometers from inland fisheries, improvements in fish value chains and the introduction of quality animal-sourced food products that can be easily transported, such as those that are dried and don't rely on cold storage, could bring nutritional benefits to these disadvantaged regions. Lastly, whilst food insecure contexts are typically data poor, we illustrate here a novel combination of spatial analysis using existing data sets that can guide government and development investments, and they could be leveraged to monitor and evaluate food systems changes for improved nutrition. Thank you.